It says from the solid cylinder a height of this much and the diameter of this much, a conical cavity of the same height and diameter is hollowed out. The things are very simple. We are having a cylinder like this. You must have seen the cylinder. If you don't remember, just think about your water bottle. This is a cylinder. From the cylinder, what they have done, from the cylinder they have just carved out a cone. They have carved out a cavity, that is a cone. So cone would be something like this. Cone would be going something like this. So of the this much of the thing is out of the cylinder. Now they have given the height is given to you as 2.8. This is 2.8. They have given you the diameter, that is 4.2. This is 4.2. So over here now you can find the total surface of the remaining solid. For this, what we need, for this, first of all, the most important thing is we have all the basic units. The height is given to me, the diameter is given, so the radius from here, I will write the radius over here. Radius will be half of it, that means 4.2 by 2, that is 2.1. 2.1 is the radius and 2.1 is the radius. So in the case of cone, slant height is important. The slant height is important. So what is slant height? Let me write it for you. Slant height, which we call by the name simply L. Slant height of the cone, L will be what? L is r square plus h square, r square plus h square. Putting up the values, we have 2.1 whole square plus h value is 2.8 whole square. Again, a calculation involved which you have to do. This will be 4.41 plus 7.84. Doing the addition, will be getting 12.25 from here, which is 3.5 centimeter. This was important because surface area of the cone is required. Now the surface area of the cone can be easily calculated. So what is the area required over here? Required area will be what? Required area will be simply the curved surface of the cylinder, CSA of cylinder, outer part. Then ahead of this we'll be having the curved surface of the cone, CSA of cone. But we have to subtract something. What we have to subtract? Sorry, we have to add one thing. What? Since the top part has been removed, the base of the cylinder is still remaining. The base of the cylinder will be having some area. So base area of the cylinder would be there. To put up the values, we have CS of the cylinder. CS of cylinder will be 2 pi r 2h. CS of the core will be pi r l, and base area is pi r square. We have all the values. Put up all the values and do the calculation. 2 into 22 by 7 into r over here is 2.1, h we have 2.8. Then for the second part, again 22 by 7, r 2.1, l we have calculated after long calculation, that is 3.5 into plus 22 by 7, r square again is 2.1 into 2.1. You can go on for the calculation part and you'll get the 3 addition to be 36.96, this to be 23.1, and the third surface area is 13.386. Doing the addition, we'll be getting the final answer as 73.92 centimeter square. This is our final answer.